Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Shoutout po sa mga kababayan kong OFW, sa inyong walang sawang suporta at patuloy na pagsubaybay sa aking mga upload. Shoutout din sa mga viewers at buyers ko dito sa Pinas, sa inyong walang sawang suporta at tiwala. Makakaasa po kayong patuloy po ako mag-upload ng mga maayos at mga magagandang sasakyan. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, you should watch this until the end. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, simulan na natin. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2012 Mazda CX-9 3.7 AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 428,000. Location, Parañaque City. First owned unit, may rear parking sensor, may reverse camera, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, well-maintained and well-preserved unit, smooth shifting, malakas sumatak, very responsive transmission, walang delay, naka-all leather interior, upuan, pati mga sidings, maayos pa po, wala po pong mga crack. Ang isa pang nagpagwapo dito, mayroon na po itong sunroof working, ang angas nitong unit, 7-seater capacity, malinis at maayos ang interior, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, pati third row niyan, halos hindi masyadong nagagamit, excellent condition, best buy unit, perfecto, pang family use. Check nyo po engine bay nito, under the hood, malinis po ang makina, wala pong oil leakage, wala pong overheat history. Naka 3.7 liter gas engine that produces 274 horsepower at 366 Nm of torque. Luwag ang trunk space nito at foldable ang third row kung marami kayong ilalagay. Naka 20 inches alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks, makakapal pa naman ang mga gulong. Outside appearance ito, very presentable, makinis, wala pong gasgas, walang dent. Naka rough around tent na rin yan, nothing to fix, ready for long drive. Next, 2006 Nissan X-Trail 2.0X 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 kms, price 298,000. Location, Marilao, Bulacan. Sa nagpapahanap sa akin ng below 300k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to mga idol. All power, all mechanism are working well, malamig ang aircon nitong unit, sariwa at malinis ang interior, maayos ang upholstery, 5-seater capacity at maayos po ang mga pang-ilalim nito, wala pong unwanted noise, malaki rin po ang trunk space. Under the hood, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by, naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 138 horsepower at 192 Nm of torque. Good running condition, ready for long drive. Mga gulong neto nasa 90% trade line. Kahit 2006 model to, pwede kayo magdala ng sarilyong mekaniko para ma-check nyo po ng actual, ma-test drive ang unit para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. 2022 Nissan Navara 2.5 VL 4x4, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 8,000 kms, price 1,388,000. Location, Makati City. Top of the line variant, push start, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, may electronic stability and traction control system, 7-speed automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive option, naka-leather seat ang mga upuan, pati sidings, good as new condition. Ang forma ng unit na to, upgraded na ang kanyang rule bar, pati roller lid, upgraded na rin. First owned unit with complete CASA records. Sa mga interesado, available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Ayan na po itsura pag nakasara na po ang kanyang roller lid. Gwapong-gwapo ang forma na ito. Wala ka na pang gagawin dito, sasakyan mo na lang to. Presentable look, wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. 2020 Honda City 1.5e CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 21,000 kms, price 688,000. Location, Pasig City. First owned unit, good as new condition, fresh in and out. May anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, naka-Android touchscreen head unit, low mileage lang po ito, all power and all panel gauge, 100% working, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, 100% no accident history at hindi po ito nabaha. Under the hood, garantisadong no engine issue, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis naman kayo, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit naman kayo, pwede nyo rin po dito i-trade in. Next, 2016 Mitsubishi Adventure 2.5 GLX, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 465,000. Location, Parañaque City. 10-seater capacity, pwede itong pang business, pang family, subok na po ito sa long ride. Naka touchscreen head unit, 5-speed manual transmission, smooth shifting, wala pong delay, malakas humatak. Naka ice cool dual aircon, power buttons, mga bintana, gumagana po lahat. Maayos ang ng kondisyon ng interior appearance nito. Wala pong punit ang mga upuan. Goods na goods ang pangilalim, solid ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. Maganda rin ibiyahe ito pang probinsya, matipid sa diesel. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter 4D56 diesel engine that produces 74 horsepower at 149 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Outside appearance, presentable. Maganda po yung pagkapula nito. May rain gutter na rin to, may step board. Nothing to fix. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just diesel and go. 2012 Honda CR-V 2.4L 4WD automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 105,000 km. Price 578,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Eto, 4th generation na Honda CR-V. CVU Japan specs. May cruise control na rin to. May eco mode and sports mode. Clean and intact all leather interior. Ang angas nito, may sunroof na rin po itong CR-V. 5-seater capacity at hindi ito masyadong gamit. Kahit 2012 model, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Wala pong tagas ng langis yan. Long drive ready na to, ready to use. Naka 20 inches Sorata mags. Tapos ang mga gulong nito, makakapal pa. Nasa 85% trade line. Panalo, 4-wheel drive na rin to mga idol. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Next, 2017 Toyota Hilux 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 82,000 km. Price 898,000. Location Makati City. Eto, another quality pickup sa naghahanap dyan ng Toyota Hilux. Multi-function steering wheel control with cruise control na rin to. Naka touchscreen head unit, ice-cooled aircon with automatic climate control, 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and sports mode. Clean and fresh, intact interior. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng mga upuan neto, pati sidings, intact. Smooth ang suspension, wala rin po itong unwanted noise. Naka-stock origmating pa po yan, malinis. Ending 8 ang plate number, Thursday ang coding neto. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Graded na rin po ang mga mags niyan, naka-TRD. At TRD skid plate na rin to. Makakapal pa naman ang mga gulong, nasa 85% trade line. Outside appearance, very presentable. 2014 Toyota Wigo 1.0e, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 km. Price 288,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa naghahanap ng Wigo na manual transmission na fuel efficient at limited ang space sa parking, pwede nyo pong i-consider to mga idol. Power steering na to, naka dual airbag, naka stock stereo pa rin po yan. Ice cold aircon, all stock, all original ang interior nito. Private use only, not bank repo. All power, all working. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Malinis at maayos ang interior nito, mga upuan, walang punit, sidings, intact. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ng actual ang unit para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Under the hood, naka 1.0 liter fuel efficient gas engine that produces 64 horsepower at 85 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Subok na to sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Nakamags na rin to at makakapal pa naman ng mga gulong. Kung may inquiry kayo at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sports 2.5 GLS 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 120,000 km. Price 558,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. 7-seater SUV, all stock, all original. Smooth and responsive transmission, 5-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, wala pong delay. All power buttons, windows and mirrors, working po lahat. Maluwag ang second row, malinis ang mga upuan, intact, pati sidings, kita naman po sa itsura. Alaga to ng owner, pati trunk space ang linis. Under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 175 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Wala pong tagas ng langis niyan, no overheat history. Overall appearance ng unit, malinis, makakapal ang mga gulong, nasa 90% trade line. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at naka-registered to hanggang 2024. Nothing to fix ang unit, no issue, sasakyan mo na lang to. 2023 Ford Ranger 2.0 XL 4x4 manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 190 km. Price 1,098,000. Location Makati City. Yes po, tama po ang narinig nyo. Good as brand new condition, 190 pa lang ang tinakbo neto. Reason for sale, nagpalit lang po ng automatic ang unang owner. Ang ganda ng head unit ito, kaya sa mga naghahanap ng 4x4 na manual transmission, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-consider to. 6-speed manual transmission with 4x4 option. Walang issue ang unit, tinakbo lang talaga to mula sa kasa pauwi sa bahay. Versus brand new, malaki na rin po ang madi-discount nyo dito. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit nung ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po at pwede kayo magdala ng sarili yung mekaniko. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng ng competition na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash payment naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing. 2011 Subaru Forester 2.0 AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 kms, price 388,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Another crossover type na all-wheel drive, 5-seater capacity, may sunroof na rin po ito, clean and intact ang interior, smooth shifting, walang delay, all power, all mechanism are working well, malinis at maayos ang upuan, naka-fabric seats, pati trunk space nito maluwag at malinis. Under the hood, no leak, no overheat history, no talsik, no usok, naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 150 horsepower at 198 Nm of torque, naka aftermarket roof rack na po yan. Outside appearance, makinis, very presentable, 4 na gulong, bago po lahat. LTO and HPG verified, kumpleto ang mga papel, naka-registered hanggang 2024. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2015 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 388,000. Location Parañaque City. Black edition, ang ganda rin ng kulay nitong EcoSport. Well maintained and well preserved unit, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. All power, all mechanism are working well, mga bintana at power mirrors, gumagana po lahat. 5-seater capacity, solid ang under chassis po nito, wala po itong kalampag. 100% no history of accident, 100% not flooded unit. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Available po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Kung may iba pa po kayong inquiry, you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Ang ganda ng mugs neto, naka Rafter grill, naka daytime running lights and fog lamps. Next, 2008 Nissan X-Trail 2.0X 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 110,000 kms, price 298,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Another Nissan X-Trail, 5-seater capacity, all power, all mechanism are working well, smooth and responsive ang transmission neto. Same lang po ng isa kanina, pati po yung loob, parehas sila ng mga upuan. Malamig ang aircon, clean and intact interior, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nagustuhan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan ang unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Medyo na-delay lang po ako ng upload ngayon dahil nag-birthday ang lola mo. Medyo na busy. Marami pong salamat. This is J Casual Vlogs. Peace out!